Welcome to RSEHS Academy. Welcome to the learning module on safety for DA, that is dissolved acetylene cylinder. Let us first understand the properties of acetylene gas. Acetylene gas is colorless and have hydrocarbon order. It burns violently if not controlled. It reacts violently with oxygen and other oxidizing agents. It is highly unstable gas and gets decomposed at high pressure. It can be absorbed in acetone liquid at normal temperature. Hazards of acetylene gas. Acetylene gas is highly unstable and gets decomposed even at slight high pressure and cause explosion. It creates explosion if comes in contact with oxygen or any other oxidizing agent. It is very important to understand the special feature of DA cylinder. DA, that is dissolved acetylene gas cylinder, is hollow, cylindrical in shape and filled with porous rock material inside. Acetone liquid is soaked in this porous rock material and acetylene gas is absorbed in the acetone which is soaked in the porous rock material. This feature is to avoid acetylene be present in free state and to protect it from decomposition and explosion. Acetylene gas comes out from acetone and gets consumed when used. DA cylinder pressure is maintained at 15 psi. Structure of DA, that is dissolved acetylene cylinder. First picture is showing DA cylinder with valve and protection cap. Second picture is showing DA cylinder without valve protection cap. Third picture is showing DA cylinder side cut section showing mesh inside. Fourth is DA cylinder side cut section showing porous rock material inside. And the last one, DA cylinder side cut section showing acetylene dissolved in the acetone which is soaked in the porous rock material. Let us see the dissolved acetylene gas cylinder incident scenarios. The cylinders are being transported in an unsafe manner and it is wrong and dangerous practice. One cylinder fell from the vehicle during transportation. The fallen cylinder might have received dent on its body and causing potential weak point. The cylinder is being rolled on floor for shifting to other location in the workplace in an unsafe manner and it is wrong and dangerous practice. The cylinder is being carried on shoulder for shifting from one location to other location in the workplace in an unsafe manner and it is wrong and dangerous practice. The person carrying the cylinder on his shoulder slipped and fell down. The person got injured and a dent caused to the cylinder causing potential for leak. Trolley shall be used for shifting of the cylinders. DA cylinders transported by a dedicated truck. The cylinder shall be transported by dedicated trucks only. Truck driver shall be trained in hazards and controls. The cylinder shall be adequately supported during handling. Conveyors, trolleys and cradles of adequate strength shall as far as possible be used when moving the cylinder and care shall be taken to avoid any damage to the cylinder valve. The cylinder shall be handled carefully and not be allowed to fall upon one another or otherwise subjected to any undue shock. Sliding, dropping or playing with cylinders is prohibited. The cylinders shall be used in horizontal position only to get acetylene and not acetone. In case of leak, keep the cylinder in well ventilated area away from heat and fire. Dissolved acetylene cylinder storage area. The cylinder shall be stored in a cool, dry, well ventilated place under cover, away from boilers, open flames, steam pipes or any potential sources of heat, and such places of storage shall be easily accessible. The cylinder shall not be stored under direct sun. The cylinders shall not be stored under conditions which will cause them to corrode. The cylinder shall not be stored along with oxygen and any other oxidizing materials. Empty cylinder shall be segregated from the filled one, and care shall be taken that all the valves are tightly shut and protection cap in place. There should be notice in place at the storage area, like only authorized persons are allowed to enter this area, no hot job near this area, and no other material shall be stored in this area. No oxidizing material shall be applied on cylinders. Cylinder shall be adequately secured to avoid fall, and oxygen cylinder shall not be stored with DA cylinders. Warning: when in use, the supply pressure through regulator shall be controlled below 1.2 kg. Otherwise, at slight higher pressure, acetylene may decompose and cause violent explosion and fire, and may severely injure the working person. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Thank you for watching.